Sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a power seat, a trailer hitch, and more. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. State-of-the-art amenities such as steering wheel memory and adjustable pedals yield a more personal driving experience. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.